All new at 6, an independent expert tells Channel 2 Action News DeKalb County's financial management deserves a grade of D. Channel 2 investigative reporter Richard Belcher live in DeKalb. Richard, these problems are largely off the radar of most taxpayers, but they matter.
Indeed, they are. Even most voters who pay close attention to tax policy or budgets or zoning decisions rarely, if ever, read through the county's financial audit. Well, someone suggested that we take a close look at DeKalb County's latest one, the 2015 audit. It's not pretty. DeKalb County's most obvious problems are politicians who run afoul of the law or the seemingly endless water billing problems that infuriate countless customers. But some serious problems remain largely out of sight.
It's bad.
We asked forensic accountant Laurie Dyke to examine the problems documented in DeKalb County's latest financial audit. Auditors found 5 so-called material weaknesses, which Dyke calls a big hole that hasn't been addressed.
It's a big deal. Anytime you have a material weakness, it's a big deal.
DeKalb got a material weakness in accounting for receivables.
They may not know how much money is owed and how much revenue they've actually received.
Another in accounts payable.
If you owe somebody money, you might not know how much you owe them or what you owe it for. And that's a significant problem.
Dyke says the material weakness in accurate reporting of cash balances could cause elected officials to be poorly informed.
The commission could think there's, let's say, $1.2 million in the bank account, and it's not really there.
And county workers won't be happy to learn that incorrect information was given to the experts working on the county's pension.
Somebody caught it, it got fixed, and so the pension liability now presumably is correct.
So, based on this audit, what kind of grade does DeKalb get for financial management?
Not necessarily an F, you know, maybe even a high D, but definitely not above a C.
CEO Michael Thurmond emailed today, being good stewards of our fiscal resources is the top priority of my administration. Clearly, we need to continue to improve our budgeting and accounting practices. He wrote, in July, I will submit to the Board of Commissioners a new set of financial reforms based on best practices and the findings of the 2015 audit. Live at the Maloof Building in Decatur, Richard Belcher, Channel 2 Action News.